Hey, Turtle.
Hey, what?
Give me a beat.
Okay.
Hey, Turtle, I got a song for you. Yes, you know, that's very true. Seesaw's got the tools for you to show the things you can do. Ha!
Whoa.
Seesaw makes my learning sing.
Hey-o! And that's a wrap. What?
Well, actually, that's not totally a rap. Let me show you how to get on Seesaw.
Yeah, let's do that.
Cool. You're just gonna love Seesaw. First, we need to open it.
Oh.
On a tablet, I click the Seesaw app.
Oh.
Or we could do it on a computer.
Ooh.
I type app.seesaw.me in a web browser. Open Seesaw Me.
Nice.
Then I click I am a student.
Because we're students, right?
Oh yeah. Our class uses email addresses and passwords to sign in.
Oh, goody. I just memorized my password.
Nice. Keep it safe.
Will do.
The first time I sign in, I type a join code that my teacher gave me. Then I click go.
Go.
Then I very carefully, no typos, enter my name, email address, and password. Then I click create account. Woo!
Do I always have to enter the code?
Nope, just the first time. After that, it's super fast. I just click I'm a student and very carefully type in my email address and password here.
That's great.
That's it.
That's it?
Oh, yeah.
And we're in.
Yep. Let the fun begin.
Woo!
Get ready to show your learning, Turtle, my friend.
Hey, ho. Let's go. Hey, ho.
Let's go.
Hey, ho.
Let's go.